Hello students, welcome to the online lectures of Kids Planet High School. This lecture is for standard 5th, subject Maths, chapter Addition and Subtraction. Let us now begin. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were polled altogether? So, we have to add both these numbers, then we will get the total votes. So, votes cast by women are 13,47,048, whereas votes cast by men are 14,29,638. Let's add both of these numbers. So, 8 plus 8 will become 16. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, 0 plus 6 will give us 6, 7 plus 9 is 16. So 1 will be carried away and we will write down 6. 1 plus 4 again is 5, plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 4 will be 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer which we got is 27,76,686. So the total votes that were polled are 27,76,686. Let us solve the second sum. Surekha Tai bought a tractor for Rs 8,07,957 and a thresher for Rs 32,609. How much money did she spend altogether? To find the total amount of money spent, we have to add both of this number, that is the price of tractor, which is 8,07,957, and the price of thresher, which is 32,609. Let us add them. So 7 plus 9 will become 16. 1 we will carry away and 6 will be written in the units place. 1 plus 5 plus 0 will become 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 1 we have to carry and now we can write 5. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 3 will become 4 and 8. Since there is no other number to add, we will directly write down 8. So the answer is 8,40,566 rupees. So Surekha Tai spent rupees 8,40,566 altogether. Let us now solve few examples of subtraction. Question number 1. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450. He has rupees 22,975. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? To find that amount, we have to minus the smaller number from the bigger one. So, the price of the laptop is 27,450. The money with Prathamesh is 22,975. Let's subtract them. So 0 minus 5. Since we cannot subtract 5 from 0, we have to borrow. So 0 will become 10 and 5 will become 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So again we have to borrow from the next digit, that is 4. So 4 becomes 3 and 5 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 3 minus 9 is again not possible, so we have to borrow again from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. Next digit is 6 minus 2, that is 4. And the last digit, that is 2 minus 2, will be 0. So Prathamesh still needs rupees 4,475 to buy the laptop. Let us solve another example of subtraction. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? To find the answer, we have to subtract the number of women we have to subtract the number of men from women. So, the number of women is 16,52,978 and the number of men is 16,37,856. Let's subtract these numbers. 8 minus 6 is 2. 7 minus 5 is again 2. 9 minus 8 will give us 1. 2 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to borrow from the next digit, that is 5. So 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0 and again 1 minus 1 is also 0. So the number of women that exceeds the number of men is 15,122. Students, let us solve one last example. The forest department planted 23,078 saplings of kher, 19,476 of behara, besides saplings of several other kinds. If the department planted 50,000 saplings altogether, how many were of the other kind? So for that, we will add the saplings of kher and behara together. Kher saplings are 23,078, whereas behara saplings are 19,476. Let us add them up. 8 plus 16 will become 14. So 1 will be carried away and 4 is written in the units place. 1 plus 7 will become 15. We will carry 1 and write down 5. 1 plus 4 again is 5. Then 3 plus 9 is 12. 1 is carried and 2 we will write down. 1 plus 2 plus 1 gives us 4. So the total number of saplings of kher and behara are 42,554, whereas the total number of saplings are 50,000. So now we will minus the number of kher and behara saplings from the total number of saplings. That is, we have to minus 42,554 from 50,000. So the answer which we will get is 7,446, which is the number of other saplings. So we can say that the other kind of saplings are 7,446.